Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today in class, we started talking about a bunch of different text features. And in order to help us better remember them, we're going to be doing a little project where you create examples for each kind to really show that you understand what they are. So your assignment for tonight is to get the booklet that you're going to need prepared so you can use all of your class time tomorrow to actually write the examples. So today in class, I gave you this packet with all the pages that we're going to need for our text features book. And so what you need to do tonight is to go through and cut out each piece. Now, I know it's very tempting to think they line up, so you can cut them out all at the same time, but don't do that. Every page has a little tab, and all of those tabs are in different places. So you are going to have to be patient and go through and cut them out one at a time. Once you get them all cut out, if you notice in the bottom corner of each page, there's a little page number. So you're going to want to stack each of the pages in order from the cover, page 1, all the way to the back, which is page 17. If you have a stapler at home, once you've cut them all out neatly so that they line up with the tabs, try to get them all lined up or have a parent help you if they're at home. And if you have a stapler, you can staple it. If not, I gave you a paper clip in class today. So just paper clip them over on the side and bring it to class tomorrow, and I'll help you staple it when you get here. So again, thank you for taking the time tonight to get it all cut out and lined up and put together so that you have the most time to work in class tomorrow. See you tomorrow.